Allah the Exalted says, "Those who devour interest shall not stand on the day of judgment, but like the standing of one whom the evil spirit has by touching made mad." This is because they said, "The trade too is like interest," and Allah made trade lawful and made interest unlawful. So he who received admonition from his Lord and refrained, then whatever he took before is lawful to him, and his affair is with Allah. And now whoever shall commit such fault, they are men of hell. They will live therein for longer period. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 275. Hazrat Masruq radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, when the last part of chapter Al-Baqarah was revealed and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited it in the mosque, then the sale of wine was also forbidden. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2084.